Welcome to fourth part for creating Pareto chart in Excel. In previous video, we have seen steps for creating Pareto chart using upward moving steps presentation. In this video, we will be using presentation with few minor changes like adding total column at the end and cumulative percentage of total at the top for group of bins. So let us get started with our same dummy dataset inside Excel. Now here we have already created these two charts, and for this video we'll be using waterfall chart to create our stepwise presentation. So let us select weights including the total row and then the head count columns including the total row. So let us go to insert, then go to waterfall chart and let us insert this. Let me cut paste this chart at the bottom so that it becomes easier for me to format it. Now we will have to perform certain formatting so that this chart looks proper. So let us first select this, again click one more time to this total row so that only that particular column is being selected. Right click and set as a total. So this way this chart will get displayed. So let us now quickly increase the chart height as well as width so that it looks proper. I don't want this label to be displayed. So let me delete this. This also I don't want, let us delete this. This also I don't want, let us delete this. This also I don't want, let us delete this. Let us click on this, Control 1. Gap width can be, let us say 1%. So this is fine with me. The data labels can be in the center, or let us leave it as the top itself, no problems. Let us select x-axis, right click, add measure lines. Then let us go to line, no line. Let us quickly format this, measure lines. This will be in dash. So this looks fine to me. This is done. Now let us quickly put like no shape outline. Since we will like to add the total cumulative total at the top, we'll remove this borders of this chart. Let us first quickly copy this our chart title from our text box and place it over here. Let us align it properly to our chart. And now we will be adding our cumulative percentage details at the top by grouping 3 bins. Let us go to insert, shapes, and this individual one which will require. Let us drag, and here you can see this is not coming proper. So we'll have to change this a little bit or rotate it using this one. Press shift key so that it looks proper aligned. So let us drag this. Let us decrease the size. So this will be for first 3 bins. Let us align this properly. Let us move this chart title at the top and let us copy this twice. Let us align this over here. Control V. Let us align this over here as well. So let us select all 3 of them. Let us go to shape format and then align it, distribute horizontally proper, align it in the center, not in the center, align it in the middle. So it looks proper. Now we would like to add a text labels for each one of them. So let us go to insert, shapes, text. So let us quickly add this. So the first one will be, so let us quickly align this in the middle. So let us put this in the center. The shape outline will be nothing. Everything will be in gray color except this percentage. This can be in orange color. So let us quickly copy this, or let us reduce the font size. Okay, so let us copy this. This will be over here. The percentage would be 14.8%. Same way we will do it for this one as well. And this will be 0.7%. So this percentage I am simply taking it from here itself. So this is like total of cumulative percentage, this one, then the balance, this one I've just subtracted and got this number. So let us quickly align this one as well. Go to shape, this will be in middle and this looks fine to me. So here you can see that we have created our chart with the stepwise one, including the total labels at the end and even at the total at the top for the cumulative percentage. So that's it like from my side guys. See you guys in next video.